Hey guys, for today's video, you'll learn how to see your liked Instagram posts. This will be a very easy guide, so please watch the whole thing. The first step is opening your Instagram. This will take you to your homepage. Now, I'll start liking posts so you can see that this works in real time. Now that I've liked a few posts, let's go to my profile account, which is in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and look for your activity. This shows all the activity you've done with your account, like when you change your name or when you followed someone. Just tap on interactions and you will see likes. Click on that and there you go. If you want to unlike something, just tap on select and tap on unlike. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.